Hey, good morning everybody. Ernest Storm here, back in action. I hope you guys are all having an adventurous day today. Today's adventure has brought me out to Tahoe National Forest, and I'm pretty stoked about this trail. Never been, don't know what to expect, so hope you guys are excited about this one. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's go. As much as I wanted to stay at that lake, I decided to keep going. Found these cool ponds. Beautiful, beautiful views. And decided to make my way up. Here's a little bit of the landscape of what I'm going to traverse here. Making my ascent. Let's go, baby. And in no time, of course, I had this view. Scrambling my way up to the ridge line, and it looks like I'm 26 minutes away from the summit, Fall Creek Mountain. Pretty stoked. Thought there was gonna be a trail, but no way. Didn't matter if it was gonna be there or not. So dope. Okay guys, so I'm coming up to one of the little summits around here. I'm not quite sure what the name of this one is, but the one behind me is Fall Creek, where I'm going to make my way over to in just a bit. Doesn't look like there's a straight up trail for it, so I'm going to have to scramble probably. There's a slight chance that I might not make it, but we're definitely going to try, so definitely worth the trip, I think. Even for this little summit right over here, parallel to it. I'll show you guys here in just a second. I'll probably have a beer there, so that might be the end of the trip though too. Just because it seems kind of, well, we'll see. All right, let's keep going. Been hiking for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Already got spectacular views. About to hit the summit. Let's go. Alrighty guys, welcome to the summit of Fall Creek Mountain. Apparently it's tradition to leave your panties here, so I guess I might have to do that myself. So yeah, pretty stoked. What's up in the world? 7,100 and something or other feet. Probably the smallest little mountain I've climbed, but super fun, beautiful, surrounded by lakes. Perfect day. And I'm actually starving, so I'm super stoked about my summit sando today. I'm gonna set up shop. Let's do this. Today's summit sando is outrageous. Thanks, bro. Thanks for the tip. It's a fantastic sandwich. Perfect for a solo hike. Food cheers, guys. to Beer 30. I'm your host, Ernest Storm, and today's beer is coming out of Nevada's own Great Basin Brewing Company. The beer that I chose today is Icky IPA, Ichthyosaur, highly evolved brew, distinct, not extinct, 6.4 alcohol by volume, and it's not lacking in any kind of taste. This is actually one of my favorite IPAs. I feel like I just keep bringing up my favorite beers every time, which why not, right? So on a scale of 1 to 5 here on this guy, just a second here. Wait, ready? Let's take let's have a little sip, Howie. A little sip, just a sip, sip, sip. Wow, so good. Absolutely love it. It's been a while since I've had it actually, so I'm super stoked to have brought this guy. It's hoppy, but like it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. Give it a shot. If you guys are ever in Nevada, Sparks, Nevada, Great Basin is a place you want to go ahead and make a pit stop at, baby. Alright, thanks for stopping by Beer 30. Catch you guys on the next one. Gonna head on out here in just a minute, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the nature shots here that I'll be taking here in a little bit. And thanks for joining me again, guys. Catch you guys down at the bottom. See you in the wilderness. Stay safe, and hope you had an adventurous day today, baby. Let's go. This is the trail over here. Coming on down. Okay, deep step. Okay, that's what I just came down from. Nice.